Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of home automation and how dual-tone multi-frequency, or DTMF, combined with AI, is transforming how we control our homes. Let's break it down. Imagine your home as a connected network where you can control lights, fans, security systems, and even gates with just a tap on your mobile keypad. That sounds futuristic, right? Well, that's exactly what DTMF technology makes possible. DTMF is essentially the language of your phone's keypad. Whenever you press a key, it sends out a specific frequency signal. These signals are then picked up by the MT-8870 decoder IC, which translates them into commands to control various home devices. Picture this, you're miles away from home but can still turn on your porch light or unlock the gate. Pretty cool, huh? But it gets even better when you add AI into the mix. AI makes your home smarter by adapting to different conditions. Imagine your home system detecting rain and automatically closing the windows or sensing flames and immediately alerting you. This level of automation not only adds convenience but also enhances safety. So how does it all work together? It starts with the DTMF signals you send from your mobile. These signals travel through the network and hit the MT-8870 decoder IC. This little device is the brain that deciphers the signals and sends commands to your home automation components. Lights, fans, gates, you name it. What's really awesome is how this system optimizes energy use. You no longer have to worry about forgetting to turn off appliances. The AI can sense when a room is empty and switch off unnecessary lights, reducing power wastage. Plus, you can manage everything from a distance, making your life easier and more efficient. So, why should you care about this tech? It's all about making your life more convenient and eco-friendly. Imagine coming home to a perfectly lit driveway or having your home secure even when you're away. This kind of control and efficiency is a game changer. In summary, combining DTMF with AI is revolutionizing home automation. You get reliable, remote control over your home, optimized energy use, and enhanced safety features, all from the palm of your hand. It's not just about convenience, it's about making our lives smarter and more sustainable. All right, that's it for today. I hope you found this dive into DTMF and AI in home automation as exciting as I did. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.